I just got my first ever gimbal, a DJI RS4. Let's do an unboxing of this. Let's go! So we have the gimbal body, right? The tripod base, the battery grip, the cables, chargers, then the release plates, and then some screws. I've always been a valid preacher of reading your manual or ensuring that you know everything as regards your equipment before setting it up. So first things first, I'm going to charge my battery till it is full, and I'm going to watch my tutorials. Then I'm going to come back and then I'm going to do a proper setup and show you guys what it looks like. The camera I'll be balancing it with is the Canon EOS R with the 24-70 Sigma Art lens. Because I know that the RS4 can carry a maximum weight of 3 kg, this is about like 1.65 kg or 1.85 kg. So let's watch the tutorials. I'm going to show you the setup and I'll be back. Hey guys, I just got back from work and I'm like, I need to shoot this video because I've not shot it in a bit. I tried it once already, so this is going to be my second try, and I'm going to do it, trusting that I remember. So let's do this. So this is the battery, this is the tripod base, right? And I'm going to connect these two together. First things first, I want to balance it to ensure it's stable. I'm going to insert this into this. This is on lock, it should be on lock, right? So I'm going to go in again. Yeah, clicked. Once that enters, there is a lock button here, unlock button. I'm going to ensure I lock it, right? Because I don't want this to remove while I'm doing anything. So normally I'm supposed to do a 360 of this top part, but I did that while I was, learning how to use the gimbal. So I'm going to take my base, I'm going to put it on my camera, right? And in doing that, it's supposed to enter into this plate. Because this plate is supposed to be on the gimbal. So this is like the first, what do we call it? The first, I think it's like the tripod base, like when you put your camera on a tripod, but this is for a gimbal. Yep, locked and ready to go. I'm going to unlock this, right? You're a reckless lover. I'm supposed to do a 360, but I don't really need this right now. So I'm going to unlock this. Now I'm going to put this plate, right, the sliding plate. I'm going to put it here, right? So excuse me, I'm a little tired, but I'm like, I need to record this video to show you guys because I've been meaning to do this for a minute. And I didn't do it yesterday, so I'm going to stand up to continue this video because I did it standing. This base is supposed to go into this, right? The length is always constant, so I'm going to slide this into, yeah, so you hear that click, right? Taking it all the way to the end. There is a lock at the back here, so I'm just going to lock it, right? So that way it doesn't slide out, right? Just so you know, this lens is really heavy. Just in case you want to go portrait mode, there is a knob here. You need to unlock it, right? Then you need to press. There is this pin here. You need to press it. I'm just going to loosen this a bit. Click this so you can unlock it, and it goes here. You do this, you ensure you lock it again from the back, and then you have your portrait mode in case you want to shoot portrait. But because I don't want to do portraits, I want to balance it to the horizontal mode. I'm just going to leave this in, right? Ensure just always ensure your knobs are closed or your screws are tight, right? So first things first is the vertical, right? Because I want to balance it this way, right? The first thing I need to do is to ensure I move this slider in or out to ensure it balances facing up. That's tricky. You can see the lens is going down. It is really heavy. So I'm going to close it here, and you can see it is still tilting forward, so a little bit more, still tilting forward but not as much anymore, right? So move it a little bit more, right? I think this is perfect. I think this is straight in a way, right? So I'm going to ensure I lock everything because I think I'm really tired. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm joking, but yeah, so that is number one. Then because I need to ensure that this remains balanced, I need to adjust it on this side because this has to stand straight without falling, right? So I'm going to do this, right? I think it is straight. Oh, okay. I think from the side is straight right now, right? So this is good, right? Then we're going to turn up again. This is like one of the hardest parts of using this camera, or gimbal, I mean, finding that right spot where it doesn't move. We got it, guys! We got it! Okay, so I'm going to lock it. Lock. Oh, yeah, that's it. I locked it in another place. But yeah, this is locked. This is straight. And it's also straight here, right? Yes, it is straight, so we are good with, oh, I don't think it's that straight, so I'm going to, nope, too much. Oh my days. Yeah, we got it. This is good. Hope you're enjoying the video. Yeah. So we've gotten the pan axis. So let's do the tilt. So for the tilt, you need to unloosen it here. So there's an auto lock here. So ouch. Sorry. That means that this isn't well balanced because it's supposed to stand straight. You just hit my fingers. So what I'm going to do is I will need to adjust it on this axis. Yes. So I'm going to unloosen it here and push it out a bit. Right. Can you see what happens? Yeah, I think it's pretty straight now, right? This is good. Right? So it's pretty straight. I'm locking it here at the back, and I'm going to lock it. Oh, sorry. I don't think it was straight. It was my bad. I already locked it. So I'm going to. So you can see what happened when I loosened the lock here. It tilted a bit towards this side. So I need to push it in a bit. Okay, too much. Push it out. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, it's balanced. So I'm going to lock it at the back here, and I'm going to lock it down here. Now for the last part, I think, I need to unloosen it. There is a lock here. I'm going to unloosen it, right? Then I need to push it down a bit, and as you can see, it is tilting towards this side, and you don't want it to tilt towards the side. It has to be straight or perpendicular basically to this back axis. So for me to do that, I need to move this rod, right? I'm going to unlock it a bit here. I'm going to move it back, right? So I'm going to move it forward a bit. It's still doing the same thing. I'm going to move it back, right? Same thing. Now I've turned the other way, so that means that was too much, right? So I'm going to push it forward a bit, and I'm hoping this is, oh, this is good. This is actually good. So if I tilt it this way, I'm going to allow it to balance. Yeah, this is pretty good. So I'm going to lock it here, right? And I'm going to lock it here, and we are good to go, guys. We are good to go. So I'm going to put the gimbal on, and you're going to see what happens. 2 seconds. Right, good, right? And to calibrate it, to auto calibrate, I'm going to press this menu and this, this forward button together. You can see it is calibrating. Let me show you guys. Hope that doesn't spoil the gimbal. And we are good to go. We're good to go, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to watch my tutorials. I'm going to practice more, and I'm going to show you in the next video, what I've learned so far, how I've been able to, the skills I've learned, or basically the things I've learned from trying out the gimbal. And I'm basically learning more about the buttons, the PFV mode, PTF mode, the FPV, the PF mode, everything. So until next time, guys. And I don't think I'm going to be using this camera because this lens is really heavy. I'm going to be using the Sony A7 because the Sony A7 is pretty light and it's pretty good. Alright, guys, bye. Sorry, actually A7 IV. Bye, guys. Till next time. Bye. Sorry.